Black Friday is a great time to get your hands on new charging gear for your Android device. Right now on Amazon, you can get up to 40% off these Belkin USB-C wall chargers that deliver fast charging PD through GON, or you can spend just $12 on a compact charger that delivers PD fast charging to any device that will take it. Because they work with USB-C, they can be used with basically any Android phone as well as iPhone and iPad, and boast a much smaller size than other chargers that deliver similar wattage. Lowest ever price. Belkin USB-C GON wall charger 20W, $10 off. This wall charger delivers 20 W of power using gallium nitride technology to any iPhone, iPad, or AirPods. $15 at Amazon. Belkin USB-C wall charger 20 W, $5 off. This is a more compact version of the above that delivers PD fast charging in a very small form factor. Perfect for all iPhones and Android alike. $13 at Amazon. Belkin's USB-C GON wall charger delivers fast charging PD in a low-profile form factor. It can charge a Google Pixel to 50% in just 37 minutes, at a size that is roughly 20% smaller than most chargers of a similar power grade without generating too much extra heat. The compact USB-C wall charger is even cheaper, so is a perfect travel companion thanks to its tiny size. It's also durable and great for hard-to-reach outlets. You can save even more if you buy them in a 2-pack that costs just over $22. Thanks to USB-C, this works with pretty much any Android phone and iPhones too with the right cable, as well as iPads and other USB-C tablets. Get stuck into these deals now. Black Friday deals. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. The best there are. These are the best Android phones you can buy right now. There are so many great Android phones to buy, so it can be tough to know which one to get. These are the best of the best at each price point. A little less 5G. Verizon and AT. While the carriers have already agreed to delay their C-band spectrum deployment, Verizon and AT saves some cash. Here's the rundown on current Disney prices and deals. Looking to sign up for Disney Plus but want to make sure you get the best deal on it? Look no further. Plug in all the things. The best USB hubs for your PS4 or PS5. The PS4 is a little light on USB ports, but you don't have to play the juggling act. We've tracked down the best USB hubs to help you plug more things into your PlayStation 4.